Hi, we're still at the Getty. This painting kind of freaks me out. Okay, this is proof that they didn't have money for more models because this guy looks okay, but this, I assume to be female, looks like she's kind of hit with an ugly stick. So let's see, we have same nose, same eyes, same mouth, but different. I mean, this is like, it's weird. Okay. Um, okay, so we're gonna put this guy here. It's a little weird. So you see, same process. Okay. So if you can learn to draw one face, you can make changes. So he's got a fat nose, she's got a fat nose, he's got a small mouth, she's got a small mouth, he's got a round chin, she's got a round chin. So this is the same person. But this one's this is him and this is him dressed in drag. So some things just don't change. Oh, weird. So we're sculpting. Just use the rhythm trend, use the planes. They're there for your tools. They were invented years ago. Well, they were kind of invented back, I guess, in the I don't know, park or something. And then used ever since. Lights coming this way. Zygomatic process. It's an orbit there. So this is an orbit. So there's a muscle in here, so it's darker. And then we have a light coming down this way. So I'm a daydreamer. I just got in trouble for it when I was a kid. It's never changed. So when I start drawing, I go to another place. So that's what you guys are experiencing. So this is really a sculpting tool, more than just a pen. And to learn this, just study Gibson, Flagg, James Montgomery Flagg, Howard Christy, Leyendecker, Hydra Clay, all people who sculpt with pens. You're practicing the same stuff as painting: shape, edges, value, color. And on the drawing side, epicranius, bicularis oculi, levator nasi, bicularis, oris, depressor, zygomatic process, temporalis, masseter. It's all there. But then on top of it, you want to put the shape, edges, value, and color. We teach all this at our school. It's very, very old-fashioned. Okay, so this is just a doodle. All right, we're keeping these short, so move on to the next one. Okay.